An employee has a possibility to gain all kind of certificates related to the work they're doing here. But of course the main focus is on the public cloud technologies. So certificates for AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, those are the popular and most encouraged for. I have accomplished 2 AWS associate level certificates, so the SysOps Administrator certificate and the Solution Architect certificate. Each employee is granted with an equal annual budget, encouraging for development and gaining more professional knowledge and such. It's an annual budget that we can use to conferences, events, courses, having courses, certificates or such. You kind of decide that what you do with it.